Welcome to 448 Country Club Lane. My name is Nadia Valenzuela with Corcoran Icon Properties, and we're sitting here on one of two new decks at my listing in the beautiful Circle Oaks community in Napa. A fun fact about Circle Oaks is the Homeowners Association was founded in 1964. As you're driving through, you may see deer prancing, a herd of wild turkey running through, and as you look at the properties, all of the lots are circular. So as you look at a map, you'll see circles everywhere for each of the lots. And this particular property has been staked so you know your boundaries. We're 11 miles from Nob Hill Grocery and 12.5 miles from downtown Napa. With expansive views to the east, we have fabulous natural light. So please join me inside to take a closer look. Inside, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 1,600 square feet with 1 bedroom and bathroom on the main level. Vaulted ceiling and exposed beam bring lots of natural light. Engineered hardwood flooring, updated kitchen with crisp white cabinetry, Kova Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances from GE, Samsung, and Nova. As you head upstairs, you'll find the 2nd bedroom and primary suite with side-by-side closet, walk-in closet, plus your spacious primary bathroom. Thank you so much for joining me here at 448 Country Club Lane. And if you're a stargazer, I've been told there's some magical views looking at the stars from this deck. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this tranquil setting just a little bit longer. Please stay tuned for the property website and my contact information for further details, and so you can contact me directly for showing in person. I wanna say bye for now, but I will see you at the next one.